Hello everybody, and today we wanna draw graphs, and we wanna know some techniques to drawing the graphs, and uh, we try to understand the whole shape of every form of the graph. Okay, let's start when we have y equal x plus b plus minus a. Okay, at first look at here, b belongs to x because it is in the bracket, so belongs to x. According to the sign of b, opposite sign, we go on x-axis. So because here is positive, so we go according to the quantity of b on negative x-axis. Okay, on negative x-axis. And a belongs to y according to the quantity of a, and obey the same side that the sign say. If it is positive a, means on y-axis, on positive part of y-axis, we should go up according to a. And if it is negative y-axis, we should go down according to the quantity of a. So it is the way of drawing the line, and we can draw, suppose that here was out of the bracket was the powered by 2 or powered by 3. We do this way, use this way. Okay, another shape is, suppose that here is y equal radical x minus b plus a. Again, b belongs to x. Because b belongs to x, according to the sign, we use it on the opposite of this sign. Suppose that here, because it is minus b, on positive x-axis I should go to the quantity of b, and a is belong to y, so it is positive a, no problem, same side. Because it is positive a, on y-axis I go up. What does it mean? It means that at first I should draw y equal radical x, after that shift on positive x-axis according to the b, and positive to y-axis according to the a. Okay, sometimes we have y equal, so it is more important to know how to draw the graph of radical x. Yes, it's important to how to draw the radical x, so we should know the shape of this. Suppose that we have y equal b f of x. If b is a factor to the f of x, according to b, if b is bigger than 1, we say we should stretch vertically. We should stretch the graph vertically. Suppose that you have, for example, 2x squared. Because it is more than 1, you should stretch the graph. It is x squared. If it is x squared, 2 square means stretch graph vertically to x squared. Okay, and 4x squared is like this, more vertically. And if b is between 0 and 1, means you should make it wider. Suppose that if it is x squared, drawing that, for example, 1 over 2x squared, you need to draw it wider. But the shape is, you should know what is the shape of x squared. Yeah, okay, let's start with y equal x. It is most famous in the line. Y equal x has this shape. y equal x. And we have y equal minus x, so it is y equal minus x. Okay, let me write the name on this. Y equal minus x, and here is y equal x. So by understanding the whole shape of a graph, we can draw it easily. Now next graph is y equal x squared. So it is the shape of, excuse me, it is the shape. Let's draw the shape by black. So y equal x squared. Y equal x squared. Now we want to draw y equal minus x squared, so it is here. Y equal minus x squared. It is the shape of the graph of x squared. Let's erase some of them. Let's erase total. Y equal x cubed. So it is the graph of y equal x cubed. Y equal positive x cubed. If we have this shape, means y equal negative x cubed. Now we want to talk about the square root x. Okay, the square root of x is, you should look at the sign, because we have here, for example, we have y equal radical x. Because near to x is positive and here is positive, it's belong to y. So it means y is positive and x is positive again. Because x is positive and y is positive, we should have in quarter number 1. So it is in quarter number 1. In quarter number 1 you have x positive, you have y positive. So easily now I can draw it. It is the shape of y equal positive negative radical x. Now let's draw y equal negative radical x. So here is positive, yeah. So y is negative, x is positive. So in which quarter it happened? Y is negative, x is positive. So it is quarter number 4. It means my graph should be in quarter number 4. In quarter number 4. It is my graph in quarter number 4. Now I have y equal minus radical minus x. So if you see, according to the sign, where y are negative, where x's are negative. So it is in quarter number 3. So it is in quarter number 3. Easily I drew it. Sorry, y is negative, x is negative. So here if you see y is positive, x is negative. Let's I erase it. It should be in quarter number 3, not quarter number 2. So it is in quarter number 3. It is correct. Let's erase. Now I want to draw y equal positive y radical negative x. What should be? So positive y negative x. It is in quarter number 3. Quarter number 3. Okay. Now the next is y equal 1 over x. The graphs of y equal 1 over x. Okay. The whole shape of 1 over x. Here we have x-axis and y-axis. X-axis is a horizontal asymptote and y-axis is a horizontal vertical asymptote. So I should draw the shape like this. In quarter number 1 and quarter number 3, it is y equal 1 over x. It means 1 over x, and x should be positive. Here is the graph of the y equal 1 over x, and we have y equal minus 1 over x. Let's draw here. It is 1 minus 1 over x. Y equal minus 1 over x. Let's go to another graph. This graph is y equal 1 over x squared. So y equal 1 over x squared. Again, it is here and this is here. Y equal 1 over x squared. And we have y equal minus 1 over x squared is down. Another graph is modulus function. So easily it is y equal absolute x or modulus x. Okay, and we have, let's draw it better. Y equal negative absolute x. So you see, if you know the shape, you can easily draw it, but it's very helpful, and by this way you can draw every graph easily. Now go to the cube root of x. So the cube root of x is like this. Y equal radical x and cube root. Now minus cube root is this. Let's draw it better. Sorry. It is y equal cube root minus cube root of x minus cube root of x. Now let's erase them, and now we want to draw y equal ln x. So on ln x always we have the vertical asymptote. On ln x we have always the vertical asymptote. Okay, let's see, and it passed from 1, so it is y equal positive ln x. So because x is positive, y is positive, it should finish in quarter number 1. It should finish in quarter number 1. Suppose that we have this. Minus ln x. So because we have minus ln x, so y equal minus ln x minus ln x. So my graph should come, the y is minus, x is positive. So where my y is minus, x is positive, it goes to the quarter number 4. Means it should finish to quarter number 4, and it is 1. It is 1. Y equal minus ln x. Okay. Now we draw y equal exponential x. So we have on exponential only you have the horizontal asymptote, and it passed from 1. Y equal positive e powered by x. So look at the x sign is positive, y is positive, so it should finish in quarter number 1. Okay, now let's draw next y equal e powered by minus x. So it passed from 1 again. Y equal e powered by minus x. So you see we will have here positive for y and negative for x. So it happened in quarter number 2. It should finish in quarter number 2. Okay, till here is enough, and I hope you understand some of the graphs, and in the next video we try to solve some examples how to draw this graph again. Thank you for watching this video and have a good time.